Hello, so your question on discussion board, you want to find A here. A, lowercase a, be opposite angle A. C's giving us 14.32 kilometers. A's giving us 38.2, and capital B is 42.6 degrees angle. Sum of these three angles is 180 degrees, and so if you take these two away from 180, you get the remaining angle C here. So C is 99.2. Here's the law of sines for this particular example. A equals a sine of the angle opposite of it, and then C equals C over the sine of the angle opposite it. So we know everything here except lowercase a. So lowercase a over sine of 38.2. So lowercase a over the sine of the angle opposite equals lowercase c over the sine of the angle opposite it. Multiply each side by sine of 38.2. Very carefully put that in the calculator and I get 8.97. Hope this helps.